Head coach of Waterhouse FC, Javier Einstein, was full of praise for his team after they blanked Spanish Town Police 3-0 in the second game of a doubleheader at the Drewsland Stadium in the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League on Monday night. Waterhouse had to toil for the opener, which came from Omani Leacock in the 45th minute. From there on, the Drewsland-based team took control and went further ahead through Shamari Dallas in the 76th minute. The victory was completed on the stroke of full time as Mario Sims closed out the show for Waterhouse. With the win, Waterhouse moved up to 6th on 34 points.
It's not about the coach, because I have some relevant players on the pitch. I have some relevant players on the bench. We had a very relevant squad, and they are working so hard to get the results. And it's very important that we have injuries, and the team is working hard and it is resolving the matches without problems.
Defeat for Spanish Town Police meant they remain rooted at the foot of the table, but coach O'Neill Bigger Thompson says they will continue to fight.
The boys show some level of positiveness when the game starts, and throughout to concede 2 minutes before the half. Some of the time mentally that can be very tough, and we understand that, and we come out and we push again to win the game, and we open up a little bit, and Waterhouse take the opportunity, and that's how the game goes. Make no excuse. I think Waterhouse is a better team today, and we have to just go back to the drawing board and continue to fight.